So at the very beginning, I felt like I couldn't cope with it, with the noise. I wasn't coping very well at all. I was just getting really stressed out, anxiety, which I don't think I'd ever had panic attacks before, but I was having these horrible emotional waves of sadness and upset of me not being able to cope with it. And what's my life going to be like now? And is this it? Is this it forever? And I just stumbled across Otto off Google and downloaded the app. And Lily's voice is just amazing. And I've just found the app to be one of the most helpful things. I've downloaded a couple of them, but this one, it's really helped me going through the days. The sleep apps are brilliant because if it just teaches you to relax and calm down, and it gives you hope that you can do it and that you can actually train your brain and switch this thing around so that you don't care about it, you can ignore it. And so in just over a week, or not long over a week, I'm coping a lot better at the moment. I've slept better these past few days. Not a great sleep. I've been waking up, but it is better than lying there all night with your brain switched on and your body resting. So yeah, it's been really good, and I'm looking forward and hoping that the low noise and the less stress and the being able to cope with it is going to continue. And I'd recommend it. I'd recommend it to anybody at the moment. I think it's brilliant. It's my savior at the minute. It really does give me the hope to go to carry on. Really. I know it sounds really silly, but it does get that annoying, and you just feel like sometimes, oh my God, I've got every day's a battle, but every day is not a battle at the minute. Now it's a positive. So yeah, definitely recommend it, 100%.